Welcome to Puerto Galera, and thank you for choosing this relaxing inland adventure. Our first stop is the viewing deck of White Beach, where you can enjoy the breathtaking panoramic view of the coastline and the beautiful White Beach below. Next, we proceed to Mulier Heritage Park, one of the historical attractions of the town. Here you will see the famous I Love Puerto Galera sign, life-size replica of the Spanish galleon. Guests may also enjoy the relaxing mangrove trail and experience bat watching. Our next destination is the famous Tamaro Falls, where fresh cold water comes directly from the mountain. After Tamaro Falls, we will stop at the viewing deck of Isla Verde, where you can enjoy a stunning view of the ocean and the nearby islands. Our last stop is Aplayang Munti, a peaceful pebble-type beach where you can swim, relax, have lunch, or sit in one of the nipa huts while enjoying the fresh air. After that, we head to Infinity Farm, a beautiful mountain farm resort known for its peaceful nature views and relaxing atmosphere. Guests can explore the farm, take photos of the scenic landscape, and enjoy the fresh mountain air surrounded by greenery. Transportation will depend on the group size and may include tricycle, jeep, van, or multi-cab. Please note that entrance fees are not included in the package. Tamaro Falls, 50 pesos per person. Infinity Farm, 200 pesos per person. Aplayang Munti, 50 pesos per person. Thank you for choosing Puerto Galera Getaway Travel and Tours. Get ready to explore the beauty of Puerto Galera. Enjoy breathtaking views, refreshing waterfalls, and unforgettable experiences. Let's make today a tour to remember.